Hey guys, it's Joy from your AI Wizards, and today we have a very interesting topic that we're going to talk about, and it's called Act As. ChatGPT has a wealth of knowledge, but kind of the trick of it is to ask the right question to get the answers from ChatGPT. And one of the tips or tricks today is to preface the prompt with Act As. So we're going to run through two quick examples on how this plays out because this act as really applies to your personal life and your business. So we're going to start with your personal life. So I have asked ChatGPT to act as a beautician and what shampoo should I be using for thin hair? I hate my hair. It's thin. It's really important that you use the right shampoo, is what my beautician tells me. So I put that in as a prompt, and here's my response: a voluminizing shampoo, gentle formula, avoid heavy moisturizers, keratin infused shampoos, sulfate free options, scalp health focus, frequency of washing. Okay, so I'm a victim of this. Overwashing can strip your hair of natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. People with fine hair might benefit from washing their hair less frequently. And then it gives me key takeaways as to what shampoo I should consider. So that's a professional telling me about what would be a great shampoo for my thin hair. Now let's go into business. And this should be an interesting prompt. I'm going to say act as a tax preparer. What are the things I should know about tax law in 2024? And let's see what it says. So you're tapping in to ChatGPT and all of its knowledge, and I do mean all of its knowledge, because ChatGPT is just an enormous database. So it has access to so many things. So if you start thinking about in your business to act as X, Y, or Z, how much time and money that can save you. So let's see what it's starting to say. Inflation adjustments. Due to high inflation, there have been significant adjustments to various tax provisions, standard deductions, federal tax bracket, gift tax exclusion. The annual exclusion for gifts increases to $18,000 per person in 2024, up $1,000 from 2023. I didn't know that. Earned income tax credit. The maximum earned income tax credit amount for 2024 is $7,830 for taxpayers with three or more qualifying children, an increase from $7,430 for tax year 2023. Qualified transportation fringe benefit. The monthly limitation for the qualified transportation fringe benefit and qualified parking increases to $315 in 2024, up from $300 in 2023. So these are all the things that have changed in 2024. And all you had to do is act as a tax preparer. What are the things I should know about? That's it. So think about how you can apply that to your business and your home life, and it'll be a game changer. Again, I'm Joy from your AI Wizards. If you want to reach out to me, please email me, joy@youraiwizards.com. And I hope you got some helpful tips from this video. All right, we'll see you the next time.